Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Chipotle Chicken Marinade. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate you being here and watching from whatever platform you enjoy us on. Go ahead and like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment down below. Like I said, we're going to be making the Chipotle Chicken Marinade. So let's look at our ingredients here. We've got 3 tablespoons of neutral oil, a 1/4 cup of red onions diced, 3 Chipotle chilies and adobo, 1 tablespoon of the adobo sauce, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of oregano. This recipe is down below in the description box or the first pinned comment. And I will say that with the garlic and the onions and all that, the things that you have to chop up and dice up, you don't have to, because we're going to be grinding this up into a puree and then pouring it over our chicken. So if you don't have anything to puree it up like a blender or a NutriBullet or something, you might need to chop it up real fine to get to where you want to be. But with that, let's go ahead and start mixing this up in our blender. All right, we've got our ingredients here. I'm going to go ahead and add the liquid in first, which would be our oil. And then our onions right in to that. Our Chipotle chilies in the adobo. Then I'm going to add our oregano, our cumin, salt and pepper, the garlic, lime juice, paprika, and the adobo sauce right in there. Put our lid on there. Right away. Just want to make sure that everything's ground up into a nice paste like that. And I got our chicken already in the bag. Just open it up. Pour this right into the chicken. And I'm using chicken thighs. Get that chicken all covered with this marinade. I'm going to go ahead and airs out, seal that up, make sure this chicken has plenty of marinade all over it. It's going in the fridge for 2 hours. When we come back, we're going to be cooking it. I'll see you then. All right, beautiful pictures, beautiful process of cooking it. It smells fantastic. It looks fantastic. I'm going to give it a taste here. There's a picture of it. Nice and grilled. Got some nice char on there. Beautiful piece of chicken. That adobo. Lime juice, garlic, paprika. Yeah, it's oily. So I use dark meat chicken just because this doesn't dry out as much to me. And that skin will char up. The fat that was left on there kind of dissolves and adds to the flavor. But, which is really, really good. Recipe for this marinade is down in the description box, the first pinned comment. You have to make this, grill it. You can't grill, you throw it in a little frying pan and cook it. Reach 165-degree temperature internal. You'll be good to go. Have a good day. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping, bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping, bumping from the